Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting offline stability. Plug in Ethernet or tether your phone so you won't lose connectivity while changing drivers. Once connected, download the exact killer adapter driver for your model from the laptop or adapter vendor. Open Device Manager, find the killer network adapter, uninstall it, and choose Delete Driver Software. After that, reboot immediately. This forces Windows to clear old driver files so the new installation won't conflict with remnants. Once done, run the downloaded installer as administrator and follow the vendor prompts. Don't skip the firmware or chipset component updates if offered. After installation, open the Killer Control Center or adapter properties. Set power management to maximum performance, reduce roaming aggressiveness, and prefer the 5 GHz band if available. Also set channel width to 20/40/80 MHz based on your router. These changes reduce drops and improve latency by aligning driver behavior with your environment. You finish by resetting the network stack to clear lingering configuration. Run netch winsock reset and ipconfig/flushtons, then reboot once more. After reboot, test on both 2, 4 and 5 GHz networks, run speed and ping checks, and verify stable throughput. If instability continues, isolate the fault with a USB Wi-Fi dongle or boot to safe mode with networking. This tells you whether the killer card or driver is at fault. If hardware appears
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.